Hello friends, I am Dr. Rajni and today in this video we will talk about do and don'ts while denture on. First, what we have to do? Soak your denture overnight in water or the solution given by your dentist. Otherwise, your denture can shrink. Thoroughly clean your denture in the morning before putting them back in the mouth. Daily clean your denture with the soft bristle brush with toothpaste as prescribed by your dentist. Don't forget to clean your tongue, mouth and gums. You have to take care of all these things too. Now, what to avoid means we don't have to do. Don't try to bite hard food with the front dentures. It can decrease the stability of your denture. Don't be abrasive while brushing because that can lead to wear off of your denture and decrease the lifetime of your denture. Don't drop your dentures as they are very delicate. They may break if you do so. So while cleaning your denture, be very careful. Don't use a toothpick or other pointed objects on the denture because that can cause indentation on the denture that will become the site for the accumulation of food particles and the bacteria. If your denture get loosened or get any other problem, don't try to fix that by your own. Instead, visit your dentist. I hope you get useful information from this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.